In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll have your TikTok account set up so viewers can discover your offers and quickly reach your checkout page. Start by opening your TikTok app and heading to your profile. This is your home base for everything account related. In the top corner, tap the three horizontal lines to open your menu. From there, go into Settings and then Account. You'll see an option to switch to business account. Go ahead and select that. Switching is free and it unlocks features that matter when you're selling, like profile controls, analytics, and most importantly, access to a website field on your profile. When the prompts appear, you'll be asked to choose a product category. Because you're selling digital products, pick the category labeled Others. That's the most accurate option for ebooks, templates, presets, digital courses, and similar items. Follow the on-screen guidance and enter the necessary details. TikTok may ask basic business information so that your account is correctly classified. Take a moment to complete this carefully. It helps TikTok show your content to the right audience and keeps your account compliant. Once your business account is active, return to your profile and tap Edit Profile. You should now see a website field. Tap it and paste the link to the place where you're actually selling your digital products. This could be a product page, a storefront, or a landing page that lists your offers. Make sure the link is secure, works on mobile, and takes viewers directly to where they can buy or learn more. A clean, short, and branded URL can improve trust and clicks. From here, anyone who visits your TikTok profile can tap that website link and will be automatically redirected to your site. That's the core setup you need to sell digital products through your TikTok presence. In some regions, TikTok Shop features for digital goods may be limited, so using the website link is a reliable way to guide viewers to your checkout while staying aligned with platform policies. To keep things smooth, double-check that your profile clearly states what you offer, use accurate descriptions in your content, and ensure your site delivers the product instantly after purchase. That's it. You've switched to a business account, selected the right category, followed the prompts, and added your sales link to your profile. Now you're set up to turn your TikTok traffic into customers for your digital products.